In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your AirPods so that they can't be tracked. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
But anyways, getting into it, on previous gen AirPods, what you would have had to do is on the right, on the bottom, on the back, you would have to see this little dot right here. So you would have to hold that, and then basically if you hold it long enough, it would factory reset. But for the AirPods Pro 3, what you're gonna have to do to factory reset it is, while these are both in your case, you're going to have to double tap the middle. Then basically, once you double tap the middle 3 times, you're going to see this white flashing logo, and that's how you know that it's in factory reset mode. It's a fully factory reset. And then when you have Bluetooth on your phone, it's going to ask you if you want to automatically connect it, like I have right here. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. So it removes from pairing mode, and now it's going to be connected. So if I go over to my settings, as you can see, if I turn my Bluetooth on and then I just go over to my connections, so I'm just going to go right now. And then as you can see, my AirPods Pro 2, if I go ahead and open up the case like so, they're now fully connected, and it's as simple as that. So you can factory reset it and then, put it wherever you want on whatever device you want as well, and then you'll be good to go.